Hello everyone, let us solve the GATE 2010 questions of extractive. So first question is, in a basic oxygen furnace under appropriate conditions, which of the following statements is not correct? Okay, so which is not correct here? Let us see. Carbon can be removed in preference to phosphorus and sulfur with reference to basic oxygen furnace, right? So yes, the carbon can be removed in preference to phosphorus and sulfur. Now second thing, phosphorus can be removed in preference to carbon and sulfur. Yes, phosphorus can also be removed. Okay. Then next it is sulfur can be removed in preference to carbon and phosphorus. So basically sulfur removal does not happen in the case of this basic basic oxygen furnace steel making. Okay, we do generally the external desulfurization or using the synthetic slag during the ladle metallurgy. Okay, so this is not the correct statement. Next, carbon and phosphorus can be removed in preference to sulfur. So yes, this can be done, this can be done, but the removal of sulfur, in preference to carbon and phosphorus cannot be done. Next, in continuous casting of steel, the mold is subjected to vertical oscillation in order to. Okay, so when we do the continuous casting, so this is the tundis. Okay, and we have the rollers over here, and this goes over here. Again we have the rollers, right? So the molten liquid, it is something like this. Okay, now suppose this is the bar or the plate which comes out. So in between slight portion, something like this, it will be complete liquid, right? And here it will be solid. Okay, so what happens, the mold, which basically here is the mold which solidifies it. So this mold is under vibration, okay, or oscillation. So why it is so? Because so that this mold should not stick with the metal which is getting solidified, right? Because these two surfaces are in contact, so these two should not stick together. Let us see other options. Allow easy flotation of inclusions, no. Ensure good casting homogeneity. Okay, so this is not the prime reason. Increase the heat transfer rate from the steel to the mold. This is not the main reason. Prevent the skin sticking to the mold. So yeah, this is the correct one. Next, which of the following statements regarding Kroll's process is not correct? Okay, regarding the Kroll process. So pure metal chloride serve as main raw material. So yes, so metal chloride, it is served as the raw material. Reduction is done only by sodium. So no, we also use this magnesium, right? So this is the incorrect in the first case. Let us see other options. Reduction chamber should be free of oxygen. Yes, it should be free of oxygen. It is used for extraction of titanium and zirconium. Yes, it is used for that. So the option here, it will be option B, right? Let us move. Group 1 is a list of technologies for alternate methods of producing iron, and Group 2 is a list you come across in the context of these technologies. Match the items. Okay, so we need to do the matching. So midrex, okay, then we have corex, then slrn, so it will be like slrn, then hyl1. Okay, the four options are retort, rotary kiln, smelting reduction, shaft furnace. So basically it is talking about the method or the equipment where this process happens. So let us do the matching. So in case of midrex, we know it is done in a shaft furnace. Okay, this corex is a smelting reduction process. Then slrn, it is used, it is done in this rotary kiln. Okay, then hyl1, the last option it will be retort, the left one. Okay, so P matches with 4, Q matches with 3, R matches with 2, and S matches with 1. So it will be option D over here. Okay, now let us move to next question. Match the metallurgical processes in group 1 with their corresponding reactor types in group 2. So group 1 like roasting of sulfide concentrate. Okay, then LD steel making, so here it will be LD. Okay, LD steel making, then Dewitt Lloyd sintering, so DL sintering, in the short form it is said, then zinc extraction. Now these are terminology related to these processes like pneumatic reactor, retort, traveling grate reactor, fluidized bed reactor. So this is in the right hand side talks about the reactor where these processes happen. So roasting of sulfide concentrate. So roasting of sulfide concentrate happens through different method. One method is fluidized bed reactor. Fine. Now next is LD steel making. So where it can match. So in the case of LD steel making, we purge oxygen, right? So we purge oxygen at a pressure. Okay, at a pressure. So there is a role of pneumatic, right? So here it will match with this. Next it is DL sintering. So DL sintering, we take a belt kind of thing. The furnace is such that we put the material. I suppose here we have the heating furnace, something like this, and we pass the material over here, and here preheating takes place, and over when we reach this side the material gets sintered. So it is like traveling grate reactor, right? Next, zinc extraction. So zinc extraction happens in a retort, that we know. Okay, so this P matches with 4, Q matches with 1. Okay, then R matches with 3. So R matches with 3. So here it will be option B. Okay, so hope guys this will help you for your preparation, and I will try to finish the other videos as per your request. So thanks all.